Mike Otranto Real Estate Company. This is one of our latest projects. Interesting thing about this house is built in 1901, so it's a historic property in Wendell, North Carolina, but the seller had a buyer in place and they were actually renting it, and by the, when they went through the motions of getting a mortgage, basically the VA would not loan on the property due to its age and some things with its issues with its condition. So that's where we came in. The seller needed a direct buyer that could buy with all cash and didn't need to qualify for a bank loan. So when selling properties on the MLS, one of the big challenges is the financing contingency and all the inspection contingencies that come with selling properties on the MLS. But when you're selling to a local cash buyer, you don't have to worry about that. So we buy our houses where they're on cash without the use of bank financing. So that allows us to purchase these types of properties. And of course we buy them as is, no repairs, no fees, no commissions, just purchase them as is. It's a historic property. It's going to look great when we're done with it, and I'm excited about it.